Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Have you ever felt like you know a lot of English words, you understand English videos, and you can even read English quite well, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. Today I'm going to help you train one of the most important skills for speaking English fluently, thinking in English. Most English learners make the same mistake. They first think in their native language, then translate everything into English. This takes time, creates stress, and makes speaking feel difficult. But fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. So today, for the next 10 minutes, let's practice thinking in English together. Relax, listen carefully, and try to create pictures in your mind. Don't translate, just imagine and think in English. Let's begin. Imagine that you are waking up early in the morning. Your alarm clock rings at 6 o'clock. You slowly open your eyes. The room is quiet. The sun is starting to shine through the window. Now think in English. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. I need to get up. I'm still a little sleepy. You sit up in bed and stretch your arms. I'm feeling better now. You walk to the bathroom and wash your face. The water feels cold. I'm awake now. You look in the mirror. I look tired. I should sleep earlier tonight. Now imagine that you're making breakfast. You walk into the kitchen. What should I eat? Maybe I'll make some toast. I need a cup of coffee. The coffee smells good. I'm ready for the day. Notice something important. These are simple thoughts. Real life thoughts are usually short and simple. You don't need complicated grammar to think in English. Now, let's continue. Imagine that you're getting ready to leave your house. You check your bag. Do I have my phone? Do I have my keys? Do I have my wallet? Everything is ready. You leave your house and start walking down the street. The weather is nice. The sky looks beautiful today. It's a perfect morning. You see people walking to work or school. Everyone looks busy. I wonder where they're going. A dog runs across the road. That's a cute dog. It looks happy. Keep imagining everything in English. Now, let's move to another situation. Imagine that you're at a supermarket. You push a shopping cart and walk through the aisles. What do I need to buy today? I need some milk. I need some bread. I should buy some fruit. You see fresh apples. These apples look delicious. How much do they cost? You compare different products. This one is cheaper, but that one looks better. This is exactly how thinking in English works. You're not translating. You're simply describing what you see. Now, imagine you're at work or school. You enter the building. I'm a little nervous. I hope today goes well. You meet a friend. Good morning. It's nice to see you. How are you today? Your friend smiles and says hello. You feel comfortable. This is going to be a good day. During a class or meeting, someone asks a question. You don't know the answer immediately. Let me think. I think I understand. Maybe the answer is this. Even simple thoughts like these help train your brain to think directly in English. Now, let's imagine a different situation. You're sitting in a park. The weather is calm. Birds are singing. Children are playing nearby. You sit on a bench and look around. The air feels fresh. This place is peaceful. I feel relaxed. You watch people passing by. That person is riding a bicycle. Those children are having fun. Everyone seems happy. The more you describe your surroundings in English, the stronger your English thinking skills become. Now, let's talk about emotions. Many learners know English vocabulary, but they forget to think about their feelings in English. Imagine that you just received some good news. How do you feel? I'm excited. I'm really happy. This is amazing. I can't believe it. Now imagine that something didn't go as planned. How do you feel? I'm disappointed. I'm a little frustrated. It's okay. I'll try again. Thinking about your emotions in English is a powerful exercise because emotions are a big part of daily conversations. Now imagine that you're planning your weekend. Ask yourself questions in English. What do I want to do this weekend? Should I stay home? Should I go somewhere? Maybe I'll watch a movie. Maybe I'll meet my friends. Maybe I'll learn something new. Keep answering your own questions in English. This creates a real conversation inside your mind. Now imagine that you're traveling to a new country. You arrive at the airport. Where should I go? I need to find my luggage. I hope everything goes smoothly. You see new places and new people. This city looks beautiful. I want to explore more. I'm excited about this adventure. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is simply to keep thinking. Even if you make mistakes, continue. Mistakes are part of learning. Remember, when babies learn a language, they don't worry about grammar rules. They simply use the language. You can do the same. Now let's do one final exercise. Look around your room right now. Choose any object. Maybe it's a chair, maybe it's a phone, maybe it's a book. Describe it in English. What color is it? What does it look like? Do I use it often? Why do I like it? Try creating 5 English sentences about that object. This is one of the easiest ways to practice thinking in English every day. And here's a challenge for you. After this video ends, spend the next 10 minutes thinking only in English. Describe what you see, describe what you do, describe what you feel. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. At first, it may feel difficult, but after a few days, you'll notice something amazing. Your brain will start producing English automatically. You'll translate less, you'll speak faster, and you'll feel more confident. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing thousands of words. Fluency comes from using English every day, even inside your own mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this practice session, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Speed English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.